welcome to Last Brand Standing. We're going to walk you through on how to fill out your bracket. So you'll see on the Acme homepage, you got the Create My Bracket. When you click on that, you'll see the bracket right here. This is going to be your bracket, so you can make all your picks. Make sure you're logged into your account to start. So we're going to go through and make some picks. To make the pick, you just click on the team's name and it'll automatically move them on to the next round. So we're going to quickly go through this. All right, now that we're in the final two, when you pick your winner here, you're gonna see this pop up, and make sure when you click and hold, you have to click and hold till this bar goes all the way around and it'll lock in your bracket. And now you can see here we got your official bracket with all your picks. And then you're gonna wanna head over to the LBS Home tab right here on the side. This is kinda gonna be your hub for everything. You got your bracket on this side, adding up how many points you got on your bracket, and then you got the schedule over here of all the dates of when all the rounds are, prizes. First place is getting a $2,500 gift card, plus you have the chance to win a free solo stove for entering. Scroll down here, we have the official bracket along with your picks next to it, so you can see how you're doing compared to the official bracket. And then on the side we have your bracket, the results. You can see all the results from each of the rounds along with your picks again and who you picked. Plus there's going to be this tab over here on the right side to shop live, so you can click on that and it'll bring you right to the deals. Next we'll go down to the trophy room. This is where you can see past Last Brand Standing champions and how many people participated, so on and so forth. And then we'll go over here to helpful information. You fill out your bracket. How does the brackets work? So round one, if you guess your brand correct, you get 2 points. Round 2, 4 points. Round 3, 8 points. Round 4, 16 points. And if you guess the championship right, you get 32 points. These will all go into a leaderboard over here on this side. So once the brackets go live, you'll be able to see a leaderboard against who you're going up against and where you stand. Down here, we got some more helpful information. That is Last Brand Standing. Make sure you guys fill out your bracket by March 8th at 11:59 Central Standard Time. And good luck.